The Open Automation Software Database Connector enables automated data transfer to Industry 4.0 data sources without the need for coding. Retrieve data based on events or continuously from open tables or views from databases, and send this data to Allen Bradley controllers, Siemens S7 controllers, Modbus devices, OPC UA servers and clients, and databases. Data transfer can be transactional with confirmation or bidirectional to databases with the OAS Data Historian product included. Controller handshaking ensures the successful delivery of data read from databases. Values from controllers and applications can dynamically change query strings automatically. Setup and deployment are straightforward and can be fully automated with complete programmatic access via a .NET application or the OAS REST API. Additionally, OAS can utilize third-party worksheets using the CSV import feature. All features of the OAS platform can utilize live data from the databases, publish data to third-party cloud systems with store and forward on network failures, log data and alarms in an open format, ensuring no data loss during network failures with OAS Data Historian and Alarm Historian products. Create visualizations with no code required for reading and writing values in the database, trending data from the tables or views, and displaying alarms. Unlock seamless programmatic access to third-party applications by leveraging the OAS.NET Data Connector or the intuitive built-in REST API. Embrace the potential for integration and expand your capabilities effortlessly. The OAS platform is an edge-deployed solution for Linux, Windows, Docker, and so efficient that the complete platform can run on hardware as small as a Raspberry Pi. Visit openautomationsoftware.com to view our knowledge base for easy-to-follow steps to connect to database. Download OAS to start your free trial today.